Tiffany, this is so pissing me off. King Kong must have come by and left these big giant shits here. Or maybe it's these things we call trees. Tiffany, I'm just so goddamn beautiful that when I walk, shit just moves out the way. Watch. Ah, why? Shit, wall, twerk time.
Hey, what's wrong?
He broke up with me.
But you don't even have a boyfriend.
I know. What's up, guys? I have to yell because of this fucking water. That was the end of my video that I made. I didn't really like plan all this shit out. This is a fucking freestyle like I always fucking do. But I got this new app and I wanted to make sure it worked. It puts videos basically into one like a movie. So I wanted to test that out. So what else better to do than to make some videos on the motherfucking ice in the nice motherfucking warm outdoors, right? I'm about to bust my ass. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys enjoyed my paid